Okay, we're back. This being Fat Biker Studio. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Ielts? Yan, sa taas. Ang Ielts po stand for International English Language Testing System. Okay, this is designed to help those guys, hindi lang po mga Pilipino, kahit ibang nationality sa buong mundo, okay, to work, to study, and migrate sa mga bansa na ang English ang kanilang primary or native language. Okay? That is an assessment. Prerequisite, mandatory requirement dun sa mga bansa na yon. Gaya na sabi ko, ang IELTS is a solid proof that you are authorized and legit to work, study, and migrate sa mga bansang ang native language is English. Gaya ng, number 1, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and UK. And I think US is also requiring in some cases itong IELTS na to. Ganon ka-importante para magkaroon ka ng IELTS certification or assessment.